How can I permanently block a number from calling me and prevent them from calling me again?
Hello everyone. Today we're tackling a common issue we all face: unwanted calls. Whether it's spam, robocalls, or just someone you'd rather not talk to, these intrusions can be very frustrating. But there's good news. Most smartphones give you the ability to block these numbers permanently. We'll be covering exactly how to do this on both Android and iOS devices.
What you should know before blocking.
Before we get into the steps to block a call, it's important to know that this process varies slightly depending on your specific phone model and the version of the operating system you're using. While the general principles remain the same, you might have to navigate a slightly different path on your device. Remember that blocking a number prevents them from calling, sending text messages, or contacting you through FaceTime. They won't be notified that they've been blocked, but their calls will go directly to voicemail.
How to block a number on an Android device.
If you're using an Android phone, here's how to block a number. 1. Open the phone app. This is where you make calls. 2. Navigate to call history. Tap on the Recent or Call History tab. 3. Choose the number to block. Scroll through your call history to find the number you want to block. Tap on the number or the contact. 4. Block the number. You should now see some details about the call. Tap on Block, Report Spam. Confirm your decision in the pop-up window. Congratulations, you've just blocked a number on your Android device.
How to block a number on an iOS device.
Now let's move on to blocking a number on an iOS device. 1. Open the phone app. This is where you make calls. 2. Navigate to recent calls. Tap on the Recents tab at the bottom of your screen. 3. Choose the number to block. Scroll through your recent calls to find the number you want to block. Tap on the info icon next to the number or contact. 4. Block this caller. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Block this caller, then confirm your decision. Well done, you've just blocked a number on your iOS device. And that's it. You've learned how to block a number permanently on both Android and iOS devices. Remember, these steps might vary slightly based on your device and its software, but the main principles should still apply. By taking these steps, you can regain control of who can reach you on your phone. I hope this guide was helpful and makes your life a bit more peaceful without unwanted calls. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.